Okay, I'm going to keep this tutorial limited to just downloading Sketchup and installing it on your machine. So the first thing you need to do is open up Chrome. This will work with Firefox or another browser if you need to. And go up to the address bar, not the search bar, and type in www.digitalartclub.uk. digitalartclub.uk. Enter. And this is my notebook dedicated to only digital art. And what you need to do is find the section entitled 3D Modeling Apps. And then you want the first page in that section called Sketchup. And here are the two installation files, Sketchup for Windows and Sketchup for Mac. And there's also two reference cards you could print out. Now this is going to be Sketchup version 2016, which is what's installed in the computers in school. When you run Sketchup for the first time, actually almost every time you run it, it'll ask you, would you like to update it to version 2018? Do not download this update, as it will not be compatible with Sketchup 2016 in school. This is important as it will allow you to work on 3D models both in home and at school. Okay, so we're going to download the Windows version. And there it is, and it's automatically saved it to my folder, and I'm just going to run it when it's ready. Open when done. You can see it's downloading, usually in the bottom left corner if you're using Chrome. I recommend you save the file somewhere, so if you ever need to reinstall it, you have it. Next, install, and finish. Okay, so we're done with that website for now. If you want to download the reference cards, click on those. You'll see there's the reference card. You can print it, you can download it to keep it for later, and so on. So I'm going to close the website now. And I'm going to run Sketchup for the first time. And there's Sketchup, recently added. It's also, you'll find it in Windows 10 under S. Sketchup, I also have 2018, but we are looking at 2016. And that's the file you want to make a shortcut to. Agree to the license, press continue. And at the moment you can say it's a trial period. Now it gives you SketchUp Professional or SketchUp Pro for 30 days. After the 30 days trial, you can either pay for SketchUp Pro or you can just say, no thank you, I'll keep using SketchUp Make, which is the free version. So after 30 days you can make that choice. The next thing you need to do is choose template. And I'm going to teach you how to use the fourth one down. So you've got this big scroll bar, make sure that's at the top. And then choose the fourth one down, which is Architectural Design Millimeters. Start using SketchUp. Remember to do that because it needs to be in millimeters for our lessons. Okay. And now this is what I told you about earlier. SketchUp Update Service. A new version of SketchUp is available. Download now, remind me later. Just click on Close. And now we're going to turn that reminder off. Window, Preferences, General, Allow checking for updates. So we want to turn that off so we don't keep getting that reminder. And to make the program run smoothly, we're going to turn off Create Backup, and we're also going to turn off Autosave. And then I'll press OK. And that is the introduction on how to install SketchUp.